TutorialLens, authoring interactive augmented reality tutorials through narration and demonstration. Using unfamiliar devices and interfaces has been a pervasive challenge. To help users interact with these interfaces, various tutorial systems have been created, but traditional user manuals, on-device instructions, and existing AR and video tutorials each have their own limitations, and creation of these tutorials has also been a challenge. We present TutorialLens, a system for authoring interactive AR tutorials through voice narration and user demonstration. The TutorialLens system has two major parts, the authoring mode and the access mode. The authoring mode allows tutorial authors to demonstrate and verbally describe each step of a task, automatically detects user interactions by tracking finger movements relative to the device, and generates an action sequence for each task demonstrated. The access mode identifies the current user step by matching the camera view with captured display screen images and guides novice device users to access unfamiliar interfaces through AR visual indicators, text, and audio. During the authoring mode, a tutorial author first enters a setup phase to configure their fingers. And the device control panel. Then, for each step of the task, the author captures the status of the display screen, demonstrates and verbally explains the step, while the system records their 3D finger locations and transcribes their narration. And repeats the process until completing the task. At the end of the authoring mode, TutorialLens displays a summary table of the steps, and the author can review and edit descriptions of each step. In the access mode, a novice user first points their phone camera to the device display screen. Once the current step is identified, the novice user follows the AR visual guidance of the 3D finger movements overlaid on the device to complete the step. Our user evaluation with 7 pairs of participants showed that TutorialLens can effectively guide authors without AR development experiences to create usable tutorials that help novice users complete tasks on a variety of devices. Overall, TutorialLens is friendly to authors without AR development experiences, allows easy editing of tutorials, and is applicable to a wide variety of devices and tasks. Thank you for watching.